You should hang it on the window. In no time, you'll get rid of a bothersome problem. You will thank me for this trick later. Hang such a bag in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, on the window or on the balcony door. This clever trick is a must-have. I can no longer imagine my home without such a pouch. All you need is to get an ordinary plastic bag. It doesn't have to be too big. The size I am showing now is sufficient. A couple of ordinary coins will also come in handy. Turn off the water in the sink and fill the pouch with water. It is enough to fill it halfway. Then drop a few coins into the water in the pouch. I have a zip bag, so I will close it now. But you can also use a regular bag. Tie it with a rubber band or string. The pouch looks like this. Hang it on the frame of the balcony door or on the window handle. You won't see any more flies in the house. The reflected light from water and coins on a sunny day keeps flies away. These insects are afraid of water and all the strange flashes they associate with water. Such a bag of water with coins is enough to scare them away. They won't even want to go near it. Już nigdy więcej nie zobaczysz much i komarów w swoim domu. Jeśli interesują Cię sposoby na komary, pokażę Ci prosty sposób. Dowiesz się, jak samemu zrobić spray na komary. Nie posiada on w sobie żadnej chemii, ale to właśnie to, czego nie lubią komary i muchy. Wystarczy nim spryskać ramy drzwi i okien. Żaden owad się do nich nie zbliży. Uszykuj naczynie. Nalej do niego szklankę wody. Dodaj łyżkę mielonego cynamonu. Cynamon posiada właściwości odstraszające te insekty. Ale działa też bardzo skutecznie na mrówki i meszki. Dobrze wymieszaj wszystko. Cynamon odstrasza nieproszone owady swoim zapachem. Przelej miksturę do butelki z dyfuzorem za pomocą lejka. Aby dyfuzor się nie zatkał, odceć miksturę przez gazę lub filtr do kawy. Jest to jeden z najłatwiejszych i bardzo skutecznych sprayów na komary i muchy. Nienawidzą tego zapachu. Wystarczy, że spryskasz ramy drzwi wejściowych i balkonowych. Spryskaj też ramy okien. Dodatkowo możesz spryskać rośliny. Nic im się od tego nie stanie, a przeciwnie. Cynamon ma wiele zalet dla roślin. Chroni je przed chorobami, stymuluje ich wzrost i reguluje pH gleby. Jeśli spryskasz kosz na śmieci, żadne muchy nie będą latać nad resztkami z niego. Ta jedna przyprawa zapewni Ci oryginalny i najlepszy spray odstraszający muchy i komary. This simple trick could keep mosquitoes away all summer long. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Take one fresh orange and carefully cut off the top. Then gently score the center of the fruit to create space inside. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out part of the inside while keeping the orange's shape intact. Fill the inside with fragrant coffee, which will slowly release a rich and pleasant aroma. Next, add a few cloves to give it a warm, spicy scent. Lightly sprinkle everything with cinnamon, which blends all the aromas together perfectly and creates an incredibly cozy atmosphere. Take a cinnamon stick and carefully light it so it starts releasing its intense, smoky fragrance. Place the lit cinnamon stick inside the orange to make the aroma even stronger. Then place the top of the orange back on, recreating the whole fruit with its unusual filling. After a short while, the scent will spread throughout the room. The combination of orange, coffee, cloves, and cinnamon creates a powerful aroma that mosquitoes and many small insects simply can't stand. Because of this, the trick may help reduce bugs in your home, especially in the evenings or when the windows are open. Many people use this method during summer as a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. A brilliant way to reduce mosquitoes around your patio. I always prepare this simple trap before the evening starts. I hang it a few yards away from where we sit, and for the rest of the night, I can finally relax in peace. All you need is a regular plastic bottle. Cut it about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim the top part a little more to create a clear funnel shape. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the bottom. The sweet scent attracts mosquitoes because it reminds them of natural energy sources like flower nectar. Next, flip the top part of the bottle upside down and place it neck first into the bottom section to form a simple funnel. Use a heated soldering iron to make 2 small holes near the top of the bottle. Prepare a fairly long piece of string. Thread it through the holes and tie a loop so the trap can be hung easily. Then prepare the bait using a cheap hoppy drink, which releases a strong fermented smell that attracts mosquitoes. Pour it into the bottle. This combination creates a powerful scent that works like an odor trap and draws mosquitoes in from far away. Hang the finished bottle on a tree or fence a few yards away from where you are sitting. The sweet smell attracts mosquitoes very effectively, and once they fly inside, they can't escape. That way, you can enjoy your evening on the patio without annoying bites or mosquitoes buzzing around. Put it in vinegar and see how it works. Prepare a tall container and take a mosquito coil, which repels insects with its intense smell. Break it into smaller pieces so it releases its properties faster. Then pour in a little vinegar, which acts as a disinfectant and helps neutralize odors. Add a bit of alcohol, which enhances the mixture's effect and helps spread the smell through the air more quickly. Finally, add a bit of fragrance liquid, such as air freshener or fabric softener, which will give a pleasant aroma and mask the strong smell of the mixture. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and transfer the finished mixture into it. Now you can spray areas in the house, especially in the kitchen where insects often appear. In the garden, spray the areas around the entrance, the terrace, or places where you spend time to create a fragrant barrier for mosquitoes. You can also use it at doors and windows to limit the entry of insects into the house. This is an effective homemade solution for mosquitoes. You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take 2 smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try.